The Philips EvoKit and Enlighted End Panel accessory ship separately. Unbox the Philips EvoKit, removing the end panel for future use, and remove the LED panel from the packaging. Where required by code, a seismic wire should be attached to the center screw on the Philips EvoKit. Remove the existing screw. Take one lug of the seismic wire and reinsert in the existing hole. Next, you can unpackage the Enlighted End Panel accessory. Remove the yellow connector on the 0 to 10 volt gray and purple lead and insert the stripped ends into the appropriate gray and purple terminals on the Philips driver. Remove the orange connector and place it on the black and white wires from the Philips EvoKit. Remove the existing green screw on the green ground wire from the Philips EvoKit, leaving the lug intact. You are now ready to install the system. Before beginning work, power must be disconnected to the light fixtures. To begin the installation, the diffuser must first be removed from the fixture. Next, remove the lamps. First, remove the ballast cover and discard. Check power to be certain that it is disconnected. Remove the power leads. And cut the leads to the tombstones approximately 2 inches from the ends. Remove the ballast for disposal. To install the EvoKit, first put the blank end plate between the fixture and the ceiling grid. Set it in at an angle and push it into place so that it's square to the end. Repeat the procedure with the enlighted end plate positioning the wires so that they go towards the center of the fixture. Connect the power leads to the incoming power to the fixture. push the purple and gray and black and white leads to the outside so that they can be connected to the LED panel. Next, take the LED center panel with the wiring and seismic cable exposed and position it in the end panels and snap the edges in place. Secure the fixture by turning the retainers 90 degrees. Connect the purple and gray 0 to 10 leads with the yellow connector. Connect the power disconnect on the orange connector. And using a Tek screw, secure the seismic safety cable where required by law. After its securing, attach the ground wire to a Tek screw either to the fixture or to an existing ground wire within the fixture. Next, attach the fixture warning label to advise potential users that the fixture has been modified for LED use. You may now remove the safety covering from the LEDs. And insert the cover panel. Insert the tongues in the slots. And secure the 90-degree turn connectors. Finally, attach the diffuser by pressing one edge under the retaining protrusions and snapping the other end in place. Installation is now complete.